behalf of NATO, I would like to extend my sincere thanks for your willingness to be such a part of the solution. Not only have you embraced one large exercise, you've embraced two: Astromite and Immediate Response.
Danes je bila prikazana izjemno kompleksna vaja, ki se morda na prvi pogled zdi enostavna, ampak glede na število elementov, ki so sodelovali, je bila vaja kompleksna, da je vse delovalo usklajeno tako, kot mora.
Since 2004, Slovenia has been an exporter of security and a peace generator. And we can comfortably say that when we take a look at this exercise and we take a look at the security that exists in this nation, in this region, and in Europe. It is powerful. And let me close with one final thought after watching their performance today. I so respect our soldiers, our sailors, our airmen, our Marines, our nations, our militaries, our services, and our alliance, because we proved one more time we're stronger together.